Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the Starpets promo codes in 2025. So stick around until the end of this video because you are going to learn how you can actually get the best discounts for Starpets. So first of all, you just have to open any of your web browsers, and in the search bar you need to search for either playholic.com website, or you can even directly search for the Starpets promo codes. But currently you will see all of the promo codes that are active on this website. So here you just have to scroll down a bit, and here they have mentioned this playaholic promo code. So you need to enter the promo code here and apply it, and it will work for you. And currently they have also given another active Starpets promo code, that is payly. So you can even try this promo code. Now if you scroll down a bit more, you will see the expired promo codes, but these are of no use because they are no longer redeemable. Afterwards you can even come to this website, that is webthrift.com, and here you will see all of the working promo codes for 2025, that is new year 2025. So you can just copy this code from here and you can try it on Starpets. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more content like this, then do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.